Alright, so at this point in the project, I'm into like 12 hours of working. So I don't have a whole lot done yet, but I have excavated this. Let's see. Try to get you a good vantage point to see the excavation. Okay, so I've excavated a little bit of dirt to the sides there, that pile, and that pile. And it's been pretty tough digging because of all the rocks and the clay. But I've also changed the dimensions. I was going by with a 14 by 14, but now I'm thinking I'm going to go with a 12 wide and a 14 long. So it's going to be a little bit smaller even than I had anticipated. I'm willing to consider going a little bit longer to get it to that near 200-foot mark, but this is what it looks like now. The trench in the middle there is because I started digging uphill first because I figured that would be the hardest, where I have to go down the most. But then I realized, well, I've kind of created a pond, so I needed to dig a trench that goes downhill for when this starts the pond. I also dug like a little trench. Last time I was here, it's kind of filled with snow a little bit, but I dug a trench all the way around my excavation point in order to slush off any water that's going, coming downhill. That's the uphill side. Where those two logs there are stacked is going to be kind of where I'm planning to put the berm of the uphill patio. So that I might terrace this eventually and create a situation where I can maybe have like a little greenhouse on the east side of this. Actually, this direction is north, and that direction there is south. So I'm actually going to have some windows. I want to get some southern exposure. So I want to have a little line of windows on the southern face, and then of course the east face, the uphill side, is going to have a wall of windows. So it should get light from two sides, and with that southern exposure on the east side, I think there's going to be a lot of light coming in. And yeah, so that's kind of what I got going on. There's one marker post right there. Let me see, right there, that's the one. And then there's the middle marker post, and that guy right there, another. And then I have the 3 marker posts that I chopped right there. And it's not perfectly square yet. Oh, wait, where's that marker post? Oh yeah, okay. There that marker post is. And it's not perfectly square yet, and I'll get it better. I think it's like 2 inches off somewhere or the other. But right now, the excavation doesn't really need to be perfect. It just needs to get the dirt out of the way so that I can get ready for posts. And here is one of the first logs I peeled with a draw knife. And this will be one of the first posts I'm preparing. And I'm going to look around for some more wood and maybe get a few more of these peeled. Maybe I'll have, I need to calculate how many I need. I still haven't done a complete drawing of this, but I think I need one every 5. Okay, so they need to be 5 inches around, and if I'm going to stack them every 4 feet. So I'm going to need, well, anyway, I'll figure it out. I'll have probably, I'm guessing 4 to a side. 12, even the 12-foot side probably doesn't need it, but I'll probably have 4 to a side, and then I'll probably have 4 in the middle somewhere, and that'll probably do everything I need it to do. So yeah, that's just the little minor stuff I've got going on so far. So not sure if there's anything else to report. Been having fun with a digging bar and doing a lot of shoveling. And there's the hatchet and the draw knife hanging over there, and there's a bow saw hanging in the tree over there. And yeah, it's been a interesting little project.